You wouldn't believe the storm we had last night. It was crazy. In fact, I wasn't even sure I was going to make it to the track today in the S2000, but I woke up. It seems to be dry. I think the weather is going to hold. All right, so we made it to the track. A few things have changed since I've been on track with the S2000. You guys know I put the seat in. I also made my way up to Baker Built Garage. We did the new OEM knock sensor in the car, so I'm not running a check engine light like I was last time, thankfully. And I did get the car aligned. I got -2 degrees all around, and I put a little bit of toe in the back, about a quarter toe. The funny thing today is that my buddy Anthony is here with his S2000. He's over there somewhere. I got Nate here, gonna shoot some video, gonna shoot some drone stuff. That should be cool. But the funny thing is, this is actually a Shelby day. Shelby, 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 Shelby. So I am going to just cross my fingers I can pass at least one of them. That will just be very funny to me for some reason. I probably should have brought the Shelby, but I wanted to come out here and mob around with the S2000. Something tells me those aren't the factory stripes.
So they are.
They're added.
I thought they were.
You can't order yellow from the factory, I don't think. It's nice because it's like the opposite of this
That's
car.
what our plan was.
It is the plan.
Yes.
What is that? Is that a Hertz car? What is that?
No, it's just a GT.
Oh, it's just a normal GT.
19,
Huh.
20,000 miles on it. So we're going to turn it into the track car instead of turn that up.
See, that's kind of what I'm doing with the Honda.
But I'm just happy to be here.
No matter how cool you are, one of these things rolls up. You know, I think somebody mentioned in my last video that I should sell the Shelby and get a Viper ACR. Now, I would love to. I would absolutely love to. That's kind of a dream spec. You guys know I started the channel with a Viper, but I'm just like way priced out of the Gen 5 right now. All right, so unfortunately, session number 1, I realized that I need a new clutch in the car. Now, Dustin at Baker Build told me, he's like, dude, your clutch pedal's feeling a little weird. I was like, yeah, it's gonna be fine. Literally the first session out there, I go to like hit the clutch and it just almost goes all the way to the floor. So I'm worried if I keep beating on the car, I won't be able to get it home. You guys can see I didn't trailer it, so it was probably just a good idea that I play it safe. Anyways, yeah, kind of bummed. I did pass Anthony, but it was like session number 1, so that doesn't really count. The car is running incredible. I will say with the alignment, I can feel this car is gonna do way better, way faster already. So we're driving home, crossing my fingers I can get there. I literally have like 1/8 of an inch of clutch pedal in the car. So even sometimes like when I come to a stop for a red light or a stop sign and I go to put the car in first gear, it like, I have the clutch pedal all the way in, but the car like still moves a little bit. Well, it's a race car, you know. I'm just hoping I can get home. Well, I made it home barely. Every stoplight was like a little battle to like try to get the car back in gear. I grinded a little bit, but anyways, I'm just happy to be home. Very thankful. Thanks, Anthony, for taking me for a ride on track. And of course, Nate, for coming and taking some photos and some drone video and stuff. Awesome. I need to get this thing fixed so I can get back on track immediately.